Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this is our lecture 5 in data mining module, and today we will study about decision tree classifiers. So we are starting classifier models from decision tree rather than k-mean algorithm or agglomerative other type of algorithms. So basically classification is a process of learning a function that maps a data item into one of several predefined classes. So classification, like you have studied in your early age stages about a periodic table where we classify different chemicals into 7 groups. Maybe you have studied biology in your early school days where there are animal classifications, plants classifications. So everywhere in every field where we classify a data set into predefined number of groups, that is called classification. For example, stock markets, the stocks goes up or goes down or stabilize or remain stable. This is also an example of a classification model. So in classification model, basically we do inductive learning, inductive reasoning. So inductive learning is the process where we develop a model using some small data set and using that small data sets based model for doing prediction. So basically it's something like you are using a sample information to make a model, classifier model, and then you are using that classifier for in a general way. For like somebody who developed the periodic table, he set some properties, and then based on those properties, now even after like decades, we are using the same periodic table to classify elements into different groups. So there are basically two types of learning. One is called inductive learning algorithms, where we from specific samples we generalize the data, we generalize the model to make a classification for any type of data or for a given trained model. And the other approach is called deductive reasoning or deductive learning. Deductive learning means you have a very large data and you want to only extract that data which is useful for yourself. So that is called deductive learning. That's just like principal component analysis in lecture 4 is a type where we start with a large data set and then we end up in a small set of variables or set data set. Just 1 2 3